Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix ChatGPT? Sorry, you have been blocked your account. Okay, then this is the basic error. Step by step, follow the steps. You will click to then for the Chrome browser. Then you will go to the first step, or you will click to the search bar. Search the settings. You will click to open. Then you will see the network and internet. You will click to select. Then you will see the VPN. You will click to select. You will disable then for the VPN background connection to you will click to disable. Okay, then disable to you will click to the proxy. You will automatic detect to the settings. You will click to off. You will startup script to off. You will manually proxy startup for you will click to off. Okay, then off to you will click to close. Then for the check you this error is fixed to no problem, but not fixed to you will change then to you is not connected for the VPN into this error showing to you will get connected to the VPN. Then check this problem is fixed to fine but not fixed to you will get go to the Chrome browser. Then you will see the triple dot, get click to the settings, then next click to the privacy and security, then next click to for the cookies, then next click to the all search histories, then you will search then for the open AI, click to search to you will set it for the one cookie for you will click to delete, click to clear. Then this step is finished to go to the next step for you will plus icon to you will click to the extensions, you will triple dot to remove from Chrome. Then all extensions always you will click to remove then your Chrome. Then check this error is confirmed to fix it. Okay, then not fix it to you will click to then for the triple dot, then click to the new ignition windows, get you will log in to use the chat gpt. Okay, this step is finished to you will click to the windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop. First and step is finished to you will click to restart to this problem solved. And this is not solved to you will connect it to the third step for ignition tab. Then this problem is solved. Thank you for watching.